Hello. So look at this, writers. These are two totally different dogs, aren't they? That's because there's different breeds of dogs. Dogs look different, just like writing looks different. And we are now doing a different type of writing, which is our how-to writings. So today, writers, I want to teach you that just like there are different kinds of dogs, there are different kinds of writing. And before a writer writes, the writer thinks, what kind of thing am I making? So I'd like you to think of a topic. Think of something that you would like to tell us how to make. Examples are how to braid hair, how to ride a bike, how to play Fortnite, how to make pancakes, or anything you know how to do that you want to share. Take a look back at some of the books we've read for the how-tos and think about writing them like those are written. The first step for you is to get your papers out. I would get 4 to 5 pieces of paper, make a square at the top like this. It's actually a rectangle. And then make a circle with a 1 inside. And then draw 2 long lines so that you have something to write on. Now, you need to add a title. Write it not too big and not too small in here. And it says, how to make pancakes. Then you're going to, of course, the first thing you're going to need to do on a how-to book is gather your materials. So we are going to say, the first thing I need to do is they need to know what we need. So we need a bowl, flour, eggs, and a mixer. Make sure that you get your labels on there. Then you're going to write your first sentence. And this one says, first, you get a bowl, some flour, 2 eggs, and a mixer. And what I used is I sounded out my words slowly. I also used my sight words that I already know, and I tapped on my fingers so I remembered how to blend those words with our letter sounds to know how to spell. Now we go to the next page. You're going to put a 2 with a circle and do the exact same thing on your page. Then I drew my mixer again, and I said, second, you mix all the stuff together. I went to my next page and I put a 3. Then I drew a picture of this guy flipping his pancakes. And I said, then you put it on the griddle and flip. Now, I never put griddle on our paper, so I needed to make sure I went back and added that to my first page. So here's a pan. And so I added that plus its label. And then I added another sentence that says you need a grill also. Then I went to my final page and I put a 4. And now I drew a clock and I drew a little boy eating his pancakes. See the details. He has his tongue out because he's hungry. So make sure you're adding those details in your pictures. Last, you cook for 20 minutes and then eat them. Okay, that's the final page of our book. This unit is a little bit easier for you guys to do and get creative with and you have a little bit more creativity time. So what I want to challenge you to do this week is I want you to look at this video and then refer back to it all week and make sure that you, by Friday, every day you're adding more to your writing and you write your own how-to book. And then on Friday, I'd like you to present it in your Seesaw video. So have your parents video you of doing that. Okay. Happy writing.